In the year of our Lord 1386, I witnessed a most peculiar event in our small French village. I am Jean-Pierre, a humble scribe in the service of the court. Our village was simple, but we took pride in our adherence to law and order. Life revolved around the church, the fields, and the marketplace. We believed in the power of law to protect us from the chaotic forces of nature and sin. It was a crisp autumn day when we heard the screams. A child, no more than 5 years old, had been savagely attacked by a pig. The village was in uproar. Justice had to be served, even if the perpetrator was a swine. Some argued it was the work of the devil, using the pig as his instrument. Others claimed the pig's owner should be held responsible for the beast's actions. But our laws were clear. The perpetrator, regardless of its nature, must face judgment. The pig was arrested, as peculiar as it may sound to modern ears. It was kept in the same prison where we held human criminals. Days passed, and the child succumbed to their wounds. The tragedy deepened the village's resolve. The pig must stand trial. Preparations were made as if for the trial of a nobleman or a feared criminal. The court was prepared, just as it would be for any accused. I remember the silence as the pig was brought in, oink oink in confusion. The absurdity of the situation was palpable. The judge, solemn as ever, began the proceedings. Witnesses were called. Testimonies were given. The defense argued that a pig could not possess criminal intent, but the prosecution was relentless. A life had been lost. They spoke of the pig's malicious nature and bloodthirsty attack. As the trial concluded, a chill ran through the courtroom. The judge declared, "We find the accused guilty of murder." In that moment, I saw the absurdity of our actions. Yet we pressed on. The pig was to be hanged like any other murderer. The village gathered for the execution, a somber spectacle. As I watched the pig being led to the gallows, I felt a deep unease. The executioner performed his grim task with practiced efficiency. As the pig's life ended, a collective sigh seemed to escape the crowd. Was this justice, or merely a show of our own fears and superstitions? The pig's death brought no comfort, no restoration of what was lost. Yet, it was our way of making sense of a senseless tragedy. As I pen this account, I wonder how future generations will judge us. Will they see our commitment to law, or mock our treatment of a mere animal as a criminal? Perhaps both. A world where the line between man and beast, justice and superstition, was not as clear as we might think. And so the story of the pig that went to court became a part of our village's law. It serves as a mirror to our society, reflecting our fears, our beliefs, and our relentless pursuit of order.